Setting of sport welding simulation. This video shows how electric gun of an external axis is set to the robot. The simulation of sport welding is a function that can be used only with VRC 1000, DX200, DX100 controller. This video represents how to add sport gun. Go to the new tab. Open a new cell. Give the file name. Once done the naming of the work, the window will be appeared as given above. Click on the controller option on the menu bar. Select the controller. Select the robot. Go to maintenance mode. In the above maintenance mode window, system has to initialize with required configuration. Select the language. Go to R1. Select the robot. Select the group of spot welding robots. Select the robot as MS210. Then select the S1 for spot welding gun configuration. Select the gun 1. Select the gun type. Which type of gun we want, X gun or C gun. We have selected C gun type. Then press enter. Go to the application and select spot. Select motor gun in application for spot welding. Press enter, 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 and then initialize yes. Now finish the task. In robot setting message box, both R1 and S1 settings are visible. Press OK. Then go to the robot second home position. Select the station R1 or S1. Selected S1. And now we can check by moving the axis by the help of external axis in the VPP pen.